All right, we're out here to Mr. and Mrs. Kinzie's house. We're looking at doing some siding for them. What we're going to do is we're going to split this up into phases. So we're basically taking this banding that's around the house now. There's a 12-inch banding. We're taking that as our stop marker and starting all the way down at foundation level and going right up to that banding. So we'll come back before the year's up to hit the second phase. But we're doing a smooth board, 7-inch exposure, Hardie plank. We're doing the Hardie trim everywhere. We do have some areas of rot that we'll look at here in a second. Your electrical here, that's all going to get pulled away. We'll re-side behind that and then reattach. But again, we're going up to the 8 foot, it's about 8, it's just shy of 9 foot mark. You can see this back wall. That's the kind of line of demarcation we're using here to draw around the house. So starting down here and going all the way up to this break point here. We have a couple windows, we have a couple areas of rot. This is obviously all coming off anyways. All windows, doors, everything will be retrimmed in a Hardie 1x4. You can see here there's no current trim around the windows and doors. So we'll add that in. We'll do a C-channel flashing all the way down at the foundation line, all the way here, all the way across the back, and the sides, wherever we have siding dying into foundation, basically. We're going to do a C-channel flashing on that board before we put our Hardie on. That's just to stop any kind of water exposure from running up the wall. So we have this window, we have these set of double French outswings, and then 2 more windows that will all have to be wrapped in the Hardie 1x4. You can see here we do have a GFI here. We have a hose bib down here. Okay, so we'll have the J boxes all around the receptacles, the hose bibs. We do have some areas of rot here, so those will all have to be addressed in our tear-off. We are going to cover a certain portion of the rot on this back left corner that we can see is visible. So the framing on that I've already accounted for in the project. Otherwise here, this obviously the siding's all gone, but as far as the base plate and everything else, it's still in good shape. But on this corner that we can see here, pretty obvious that we're going to have to do some major repair. So that's already accounted for in my project amount. So that's all going bye-bye. We'll reframe out this corner and be all set to go.